Hello and welcome back to Stellar Secrets. Today, we're venturing into the depths of the universe to uncover the mysteries of black holes. They're often portrayed as cosmic monsters swallowing everything, but the reality is far more fascinating and stranger than you might imagine. In this video, I'll share 7 incredible facts about black holes that reveal just how bizarre and powerful they really are. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because the last fact could completely change the way you think about the future of our universe. First fact: black holes don't actually suck things in. Despite their reputation, black holes don't pull objects in like cosmic vacuum cleaners. If the Sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting almost exactly the same way. It wouldn't get dragged inside. The key lies in the event horizon. Once something crosses this boundary, escape is impossible, not even for light. But outside that zone, their gravity acts just like any other massive object. So black holes aren't predators roaming space. They're extreme objects of gravity, waiting for anything that ventures too close. Second fact: black holes can slow down time. Black holes distort space-time so much that they affect the flow of time itself. To an outside observer, an astronaut approaching the event horizon would appear to move slower and slower, eventually seeming frozen in time. Meanwhile, from the astronaut's perspective, time passes normally. This strange effect, known as gravitational time dilation, is one of Einstein's predictions of general relativity. And although we can't test it near a real black hole, satellites around Earth have confirmed that gravity does indeed alter the passage of time, just on a much smaller scale. Third fact: black holes can spin at nearly the speed of light. Many black holes rotate incredibly fast, some at almost the speed of light. This rotation twists and drags the very fabric of space-time, a phenomenon called frame dragging. In extreme cases, spinning black holes create gigantic jets of energy and matter that blast into space for thousands of light years. These jets are so powerful that they can shape entire galaxies, influencing how stars are born. So black holes aren't just destroyers, they're also cosmic architects. Fourth fact: black holes come in different sizes, 4 to 5. Black holes aren't all the same. Stellar mass black holes form from dying stars, usually 5 to 20 times the mass of the Sun. Supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times heavier, sit at the center of galaxies. Our Milky Way has one called Sagittarius A star, about 4 million solar masses. Scientists even suspect the existence of intermediate black holes, the missing link between stellar and supermassive ones. And then there's the theory of primordial black holes, tiny black holes that might have formed right after the Big Bang. Some could be as small as atoms, but with the mass of mountains. If they exist, they could even explain part of the mysterious dark matter. Fifth fact: black holes aren't eternal. It may seem like they last forever, but black holes actually evaporate over time. Thanks to a quantum effect called Hawking radiation, black holes slowly lose energy by emitting tiny particles. For a massive black hole, this process takes longer than the age of the universe. But eventually, they shrink, lose mass, and vanish in a final burst of energy. So even the most powerful giants of the cosmos have an expiration date. Fifth fact: black holes aren't eternal. It may seem like they last forever, but black holes actually evaporate over time. Thanks to a quantum effect called Hawking radiation, black holes slowly lose energy by emitting tiny particles. For a massive black hole, this process takes longer than the age of the universe. But eventually, they shrink, lose mass, and vanish in a final burst of energy. So even the most powerful giants of the cosmos have an expiration date.
Seventh fact: black holes might be gateways. Here's the most mind-bending idea. Some theories suggest that black holes could act as gateways to other places in the universe, or even to other universes. In theory, the center of a black hole, the singularity, is where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Some physicists propose that instead of ending in destruction, matter falling in could emerge somewhere else through a so-called wormhole. Now, we don't know if this is really possible. Most evidence suggests wormholes, if they exist, would collapse instantly. But exploring this idea pushes the limits of our understanding and shows just how mysterious black holes still are.
If you enjoyed this journey through the mysteries of space, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Stellar Secrets, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another adventure. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep looking up at the stars.